In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a text ads in Google AdWords. So first, make sure you are on the official website of Google AdWords and already logged in with your credentials. So now you can click the plus button on the upper left corner and then select the campaigns. And then in here, you can skip this part. So you'll need to enter your business name. Now, so in this case, I'm just going to skip it for now. And in here, you'll need to choose for your objective. For example, sales, leads, website traffic, app permissions, awareness and consideration, and local store visits and promotions and other stops. And in here, select your campaign type and your subtype, so on with the platform, and then continue. Just select continue button once you're done. So yeah. After that, so assumingly we finish this steps in here. So now you'll be redirecting to the setting budget, location, and language preferences. So you'll need to set your daily budget, your locations, your preferred locations, and your a language that you want to use, and then define your bidding strategy like maximize clicks or manual CPC. And after that, enter the keywords you want to add to your ads to appear for, and then think like your customers, what would they type in to find you. So time to write your ad. Add up a 3 headlines, each up to 30 characters, then up to 2 descriptions, each up to 90 characters. So be clear, catchy, and relevant to your offer. And then after that, for the final, enter your final URL. This is where people will land after clicking the ad, so make sure the page matches what your ad promises. And then after that, double check your ad copy, keywords, and targeting. So if everything looks good, just simply click the publish button and you're all set up. And that's how you create text ads in Google Ads. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.